Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about inland fishing gears, that is the different type of nets which are used in various parts of India to catch the fishes from freshwater resources. So in India different types of nets are used, a variety type of nets are used to catch the fishes from freshwater resources. Out of that different type of nets or gears, in this video we are discuss some important nets or gears used in different parts of India. So there are the first type of net, that is called as trap net. Trap net, in that trap net the fishes are catched or trapped. There are having different type of trap net. First type, that is called as basket trap net. First having a name, basket trap net. Basket trap net, it is a dome shaped basket. It is a dome shaped basket. They are having two openings. So here is a diagram of this particular basket type of net. That is a dome shaped basket. This is a trap net. This is a type of trap net. There is having two openings. That is having two openings on both the sides, and it is a dome shaped basket with two openings. These openings are guarded by recurved hooks. These openings are guarded by recurved hooks, and these recurved hooks having, that is the hooks, this type of hooks which are made from the bamboos, and these hooks are recurved like this backward directed hooks are found along the, or which guarded along these openings, due to which the fishes which enters into this basket cannot be comes out of that basket. So there is having bamboo sticks. These free ends of these sticks are curved inside the basket, and here is the food or suitable bait is live in this particular area of this net. That is, the baits are placed inside the basket, and the fishes that enter into the baskets are trapped in this net. So that is the fishes which comes in this particular net to take the food that can be captured and trapped. So the fishes which will be entered into this basket may be trapped, and this is a type of net that is called as basket type trap net. This was the first type of trap net which is called as basket type trap net. Now about the second trap net, that is having name pot type trap net. Pot type trap net, this is another type of trap net used by poor peoples particularly, and for this purpose there is having a wide mouthed vessel. This is a wide mouthed vessel used for this purpose. Wide mouthed earthen pot is used particularly. The mouth of this pot is closed. The mouth of this pot is closed by a thick cloth. The mouth of the pot is closed by thick cloth having some holes. In that cloth there is having number of holes, small holes, to provide entrance to the fishes. That is, from these holes the fishes are enter in this pot, so called as pot type of net. Enter in by this hole, and the fishes are enter into this pot. In this pot there is also having some suitable food for the fishes. For this feeding purpose, these fishes enter into this pot and get trapped. And the particular type of fishes like chanas, clarias, heterophinustus fishes are captured or can be trapped with the help of such a type of pot type trap net. Now this is having again third type of trap net is called as conch trap net. Conch trap net. This conch trap net, it is made by the bamboo. conch trap net made by the bamboo pieces, and it is like a conical basket, with a small circular opening. There is having a small circular opening that is called as a mouth. Small circular opening is found, or it is commonly used in the shallow muddy water. There is an opening, and here is having a wide mouth. One side is widely opened, and one side having a another side having a mouth and opening, small opening, and it is a conical shaped basket type of net with small circular opening at the top, and the wide mouth is pressed in the shallow muddy bottom. So such type of conch trap net used in the shallow muddy water. It is commonly used in the shallow muddy water. At the time of operation, this net is pressed in the soft mud, and afterward anyone can collect the fishes by hands. So anyone or any fisherman can collect the fishes by hands by this opening, by hands, from the opening given on the top of it. There is an opening, and with the help of this opening, anyone can fisherman catches the fishes from that opening, which is collected in this conch trap net. So the fishes can be collected with the hand picked by the top opening. Some type of fishes like chana, then Heteropneustos, Clarius batrachus, and some eel type of fishes catches through this type of net. So these are some type of trap nets used in the freshwater resources, that is in the lakes, in the particularly large type of dams and rivers. Now about the hand net. So here is a one type of hand that is called as cast net, also called as ghagra jal. So it is also called as ghagra jal in Uttar Pradesh. It is a circular type of net, having a umbrella shape, and there is having a cord. So from the upper side apex of that particular net, there is having a cord. The cord is attached to the apex, and some weights are attached towards the lower side of this particular net. On the margin of this particular wide opening or mouth, there is having some weights are attached, and this fixed along these margins, due to which these nets can be spread on the particular type of particularly on the surface, water surface. It is operated by the single fisherman, and it can be operated by the single fisherman, and small and medium sized fishes are entangled in this type of net. This can be thrown on water, which spread on water, and it has been done very skillfully. This skillfully spread on the water, and by keeping rope in by at the time of spreading this particular type of net, the rope of this net is keeping in one hand, particularly on the in the left hand. The net sinks and the mouth is closed. Whenever this net sinks and mouth is closed, due to which the small and medium sized fishes are caught by in this method by this net by this method. So this is one of the type of cast net, which is called as ghagra jal also, and is a type of hand net which can be operated by the fishermen. Now second type of hand net, that is called as triangular net. It is a butterfly shaped net. It is a conical butterfly shaped net which is having a handle. There is having a handle. It is used in Uttar Pradesh particularly. It is a conical type net like a butterfly. The mouth of this net is opened always. The mouth of this net is opened and keep open by there is having two bamboo sticks. With the help of these two bamboo sticks, the mouth of this particular net is widely opened, and there is having a handle, and this handle, with the help of this handle, the net can be moved into the water. This net is used in shallow water again, and the net is dragged. This net is dragged by its handle. The net may also be operated from the boat. So such type of net where these fishes are collected in this particular type of area of this net. This was second type of net called as triangular net. This is again a type of hand net. Then about drag net. Some drag nets are the nets which are dragged, and drag net having different types again. In that first type, chanty net. Here is a diagram of this chanty net. This is stretched out in the rivers from bank to bank. Though this chanty net, the bottom side of this chanty nets having some weights, stones or some iron can be attached towards the lower side of this net, and due to this weight, the bottom side having iron or stone weights, and top sides having floaters, some such type of floaters, that is floaters like thermocol pieces are attached to the as a floaters. So due to which this net remain erect in a vertical position, and there is a boat, and in this boat the fishes are collected. The top of the top having, again there is having a rope, strong cord or the rope held by the hands by the fishermen, and this can be stretched from bank to bank. So this rope is attached or pegged in a particular bamboo or stretched from bank to bank of the river, may also be rotate at a circular point, and sometimes this net, one side of this rope is attached fixed, and again this can be moved in a curved position, and both these sides are then meet each other forming a circular structure, and in this particular area, the fishes which is in this area can be catched with the help of this type of nets. Now second type of drag net, that is called as long drag net, also called as mahajal. Long drag net or mahajal used in the rivers where the water current is strong enough. Where there is water current is strong enough in that particular area, this type of long drag nets are used. The net is proceed into the river in an elliptical path and returns to the place from where the starting point of spreading of this net. So here, from suppose this is a point A and this is a point B, the net is forming such a type of movement, and both the sides then meet together, and the fishes which are entangled in this particular area or found in this area can be catched with the help of this long drag net or mahajal. The net is placed into the river and elliptical path and returned to the place from where it started. In this way, two ends meet together and dragged on the land. Huge amount of fishes can be captured by this type of net, so called as mahajal. Now they are also having different type of nets. In that, one type that is called as fixed net. So fixed net, it is a long rectangular mesh or long rectangular net or gear. It is a long rectangular shaped net stretched from one end from the one end of the river, that is from the one end bank to bank. This can also be stretched like this on the bank to the other bank of the river with several bamboo sticks. They are having different bamboo sticks. With the help of that bamboo sticks, this net is fixed on the river, and there is supportive bamboo sticks are found in this net, due to which this net remain in vertical position, and fishes swims through this particular area or approaches to this net can be catched or entangled in this type of fixed net. Again, having some miscellaneous nets like bean jal. This bean jal, it is again a bag net type of net. It is a bag net used against a tidal current, and this can be tied to with the help of bamboo. So this can be tied with the help of the bamboo poles. Floaters are attached along the upper margins. Along the upper margins, floaters are attached or entangled on the floaters are found on the along the upper margin. It is used to capture small sized fishes. The fishes which is having the movement from this area can be catched with the help of this bean jal, and this bean jal is used to capture small sized fishes. Again, there is having a particular net that is called as sanglo jal. It is a purse net, purse type of net. Shanglo jal, it is a type of purse net used in estuarian brackish water area, in the estuarian area, and operated from dugout canoes type of boat. So it is a shanglo jal. With the help of the shanglo jal, again small sized fishes are catched. And lastly, there is having a net called as bear jal. It is a large sized sin net, large sized net for capture of fishes. This type of net, it is having particular fishermen which are found on the both side of this net, and this net forming a particular semicircular area which covers the semicircular area and dragged out, that is called as bear jal. And large sized net particularly used in large rivers like Ganga river, and it can be also operated by or from boats. So these are some inland fishing gears or nets used in India to catch the different type of fishes.